The old way of consultations is people would come into the office, we'd assess their hair loss, show them pictures, videos, and slides, and go over what's best for them based on their goals and expectations. We still do that, and we still do a lot of that. But these days, virtual consultations are super convenient. So what do I mean? Well, if you can't get in to see us about your hair but want more information, it's a great way to do that. If you live out of state or out of the country like some of our patients, it's great to do that because you can learn about your options and we can learn about you. We can assess your candidacy for the procedure. You can send pictures ahead of time too, that's super helpful. But don't forget, I'm going to be able to see you and you can see me. We do want to schedule a time for it, so it's just not a random click on, let's do it immediately. It's something that we do want to schedule. So if you have any questions about that, click on the link here. Again, we offer 2 types of hair transplantation, ARTIS robotic procedures and our trademarked multi-unit grafting procedures, micropigmentation, platelet-rich plasma treatments, and also medical light or laser light therapy. So call us, check it out. Again, check on the link. You can call us at 615-376-6010. We can set that up for you. I'll go over it in more detail for you. Thanks again.